We're on Jalan Palau Misol, and it's right at the big roundabout on Tokooma. I'm at a place called Bakso Solo Adam. Apparently it's really good bakso in here, and soy maize, things like that. We're going to go in and check it out. Right, so this is it, plenty of seats, and I suppose you got a menu or you sit down. I suppose this is where he makes the bakso. Hey bro. Alright, so this is the bakso. They got the big bakso. Sometimes they got an egg in the middle. And I tell her, no. Alright, so these ones are full of cheese. So these are cheese and meat and normal bakso. Alright. So that's something different, large bakso with cheese. So I haven't tried that before. Right, so it opens up at 11 AM. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description where it is. And it's already sort of busy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's already a couple of people coming and going, getting takeaways as well. So I suppose it's pretty popular, this place. We saw it on Instagram through a famous, celebgram, Indonesian food vlogger. So we thought we'd come and check it out. All right, so there's a television show called Bikin Lapar. It's like make you hungry. And this place is approved by them, so it's a pretty famous sort of television show in Indonesia, where they just go around trying different warungs and that. So it's been approved by them, so must be good. Maybe they've been here and eaten or something. So you write out your own order, take it over to the cashier and pay, and then they'll bring the food. Okay, so all of that was 87,000, like $8. And we got mee goreng, 2 bowls of bakso, pisang hijau and 2 drinks, so that's very cheap. Alright, so this is pisang hijau. Now what it is like a banana wrapped in like a pancake, and then they steam sort of, so, and this is ice, this one, it's all ice, and then you get like a custard with it and some sweet little jelly things, and that's really good. Steal a bit. It's really sweet, eh? But yeah, it's good. This is traditional Makassar Sulawesi food. So big glass of tea too is only 5,000, so cheap. Alright, so Yili's going to try out the pisang hijau. It's not too bad. So they've got a solid ice block in this one, not chunks of ice. Yeah. It's shredded ice. Yeah. So on a hot day, pisang hijau, good stuff. Sometimes you see little carts getting around selling it, but yeah. Not bad. Alright, so this is the cheese ones, the big cheese balls. It's 35,000. Normal bakso like this is only 10,000, about 90 cents. So very cheap. So it's like a curry mee goreng. It's probably a bit hot. So in the bakso,
I think they have shrimp paste.
Right. You get noodles, typical bakso, bit of tofu. There's no egg in this one, and some little chicken bakso balls. Right, so I took the big giant cheese ones out so they cool down. I can just pick them up and eat them. So we'll put that aside. We'll try out the normal bakso, see what it's like. Let's put a bit of sambal in here. Huh?
Nice.
So what do you think of your mee goreng?
It's alright, tastes like curry, but I think they use Indomie goreng packet.
Yeah, it's just a packet.
But they put extra curry flavor in it.
So it's just like packet noodles. I suppose that's how they do it, so cheap. But still alright, pretty good for like 10,000 cheap, you know. So it's fried tofu, and then they put it in the soup. Not too bad. But the baksos are really good. You can tell they're fresh, homemade. So Yili said this mee gorengs are really spicy, so Bangladesh style. We'll try it out, see what it's like. It's a lot of curry on it. It's full on Indian curry, you know, nearly takes your breath away.
Well, they got it Bangladesh.
Not too bad. Very strong curry. Alright, so these are the fried dumplings. You put them in your soup normally and that. They've got a little bit of meat in them and they're just been fried. Don't break up. You put them in your seed, sort of like a crouton. Okay, so these apparently are full of cheese. Look at the size of them, they're huge. Nearly as big as a tennis ball. So I'll let it cool down so I can just pick it up and eat it. Just all meat, look at that. We'll see when I get the cheese what's going on. Oh, and there it is. Full of cheese. Alright. Oh yeah. And it's all like, I don't know, cheddar cheese or something. Yeah. It's a liquidy. So, cheese all over my face. There's so much cheese in it, like a real lot, you know what I mean? They get apparently they get a frozen ball of cheese, wrap the meat in it, and then they'll fry them, you know. 2 of these is a meal, they're absolutely huge. Alright, so it's pretty good really, except the curry's really, really strong curry. It's not too bad, I don't mind it, but it's a little bit overpowering, the Indian curry. I'm sort of more into the Asian coconut curries type thing. And otherwise, it's pretty good. What do you think? Yeah, it's alright. For the price, like 80,000 for the 4 dishes and the pisang hijau and 2 drinks, damn cheap. So anyway, check it out. It seems pretty popular. A lot of people are coming and going. A lot of people are getting takeaway. Alright, so this road goes all the way through to Jalan Mahendra Dada. And there's a lot of little warungs all the way down here by the look of it. So in the future we might explore a few more of these. Now there's a rujak, famous rujak place up here, the rujak. So we're going to stop and get some of that. Also Kentucky Fried right on the corner across the road there. You can see that's got a special on today where you get a piece of chicken and a rice, 15,000, and we'll stop in and get a couple of them little Kenzo. This is a good idea. Look, they've actually got a bin made here for plastic. So people can just throw their plastic in and plastic collection spot, which is a good idea. They should be everywhere in the streets and everything. A little print shop here. There's a playing cards, look. So yeah, print shop. Oh, another print shop. That must be Print Shop Street. I think that's a little mini gym next door. Or is it a supplement shop? Supplement shop. Another banner, another print shop. And this is a little rujak. Balinese traditional warung dia rujak. So rujak is like green mango and fruit and stuff like that in like a spicy sauce that you eat. Yeah. Right, so it's got all different mixed fruits and rujak. Oh, do they? Yeah. So it's using half a aqua bottle as a little funnel to fill up the bag with the juice for the rujak. So it's just like a chili sauce, and then you get a bag of fruit and that, and you pour that, just dip the fruit in it. You know? And the girls love rujak. You can see it's all women in here, all women coming. They love it. There's actually little bicycles that get around, motorbikes that get around town. There might be tables on the side of the street, and that. But this is actually a special rujak shop, which is they're round, but most people just buy it straight off the street, you know, rujak. Yeah, so from the roundabout, Tuku Omar, Jalan Pulau Misal, it goes right through to Jalan Mahendra Dada, which is probably about 4 or 5 kilometres from here, so it's along the street. I think we might have to have a bit of an explore here, because this really isn't that far from our house, a couple of kilometres, you know. So, yeah, in the future I think we'll check out some of the warungs down here. It's really worth getting out of Legian, getting out of Semina, getting out of Sanua, and checking out what's in Denpasar, because seriously, the best warungs and that are in Denpasar for the locals, and that's where the locals eat. So anyway, Jalan Pulau Misal. Now Palau means island. So there's Nusa is a Balinese term for island type thing, but Palau is Indonesian for island. Bit of useless trivia. Right, so got the big KFC there right next door. So Yuli's got the KFC app, and if you download the KFC app, you'd be surprised the discounts you get if you want to buy KFC. Plus also our bank, BTPN or SMBC, I think it is now, they changed it. That sends us little vouchers and things all the time for different businesses like Burger King, you know, Starbucks, KFC, and you get pretty good. Oh, that's a little. Hey, bro. It's got your little warung in the back. Got it? Yeah. How good's that? All right. A little mobile warung. Got the gas cooker in here. So this is the big statue here. This is Jalan Teguh Umar, and that's Palau Misal, and KFC right opposite the statue. This is a good one to come to because it's really not that busy every time we come in here. So we're going to see if we can get this 15,000 chicken and rice for little Kenzo and Mercer. This is a special deal, so for 20,000 you get chicken, rice and a drink. Pretty good deal really for KFC. Alright, so Yuli's ordering it on the app and then you get it for 15,000, a bit cheaper. And chicken and rice, 15,000. Order it here and then just pick it up. You might have seen the video I did on Panda Loca. Now right opposite the big statue here, the roundabout, there's Panda Loca across the road. You got the big Agasaka nightclub there across the road as well, right at the corner. You got Kentucky Fried Inn, Jalan Palau Misal, which is where all those little warungs, and we got the rujak and the bakso. So this area, just in this immediate area, there's just little food spots everywhere.